welcome to part 2 of coding with the Garry Kitchen's Game Maker. Oh, it's going to be exciting today. We're going to focus on the sprites. Yeah, we're going to put sprites on the screen and make them do all sorts of stuff. So you just watch. Tune in Tokyo. Today we're going to start with a clear screen, and we're going to talk about sprites. Let's go over here. Sprite 1 is Charlie. You don't have the sprite Charlie on your disk. I made him up. But you can put any sprite in there. Let's run. Oh, I don't see anything. You know why? Because I have to tell him where to put the sprites. Sprite 1 Charlie, position, we'll put 85. X position is left and right. Now we have to put a Y position. Charlie Y position, we'll put 135. Hey, he's right in the middle. Nice looking guy, huh? Well, so what if I change the numbers? X position, we'll make oh, he's off to the side. So the lower you make the X position, he'll go to the left. If I made a higher number, he would go to the right. Let's have a look at the Y position. Right up in the corner. Well, that's kind of cool. But suppose I want him to go across the screen. Charlie 1, direction 0 is up. But what if I want to make go right? He's still not going anywhere. You know why? You have to tell him how fast you want to move. Oh, there he goes. He's crawling along. Let's change the color. Charlie 1, color 1, black. We'll go white. What does that do? Ooh, I got white hair. Just like an old man. Sprite share color 2. Let's make it purple. Ooh, it looks kind of like I'm a little sick. Like I'm a purple. Ha, purple, ha ha. I can delete a line by highlighting it and hitting delete. Let's add a song. Song 1 is Boy Girl Song. Let's have a listen. All right, let's change the volume of the song. It's quieter. Now it's louder. Now I'm going to show you how to copy. Put the cursor right up here. Copy. Select the part in black that you want to copy. And go down and copy. That way I don't have to put it all over again. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to make Sprite 2 will also be Charlie. Change these all to Charlie 2. But if I put them in the same spot, they'll be overlapping each other. So I'm going to change the numbers. We'll go 158. And then we're going to change the direction from right to left. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's 2 Charleses. Don't bunk heads. That gives me an idea. What's going to happen when the Charleses touch each other? Let me show you. If Sprite Charlie hits Sprite Charlie 2, then what's going to happen? I'm going to put a number right here. I'll change the sound volume to 0. It'll turn off the sound. Then I have to put an and if in here. Then I'm going to go to jump to label 101. It's going to create a loop, and it'll constantly check to see if the sprites are hitting each other. If they are, it'll turn the sound off. Let's check it out. Who's it going to touch? Nice and quiet. What else can I do? What if I go over here? Let's insert a couple spots. Let's clear sprite 1 and clear sprite 2 so they could eradicate each other. All gone. Now what if I want to hear a big boom sound when the two collide? Oh, well, let me go over here. I'll have to insert another line. Sound channel 1. Let's see what we have for sounds. Explode 1. Well, let's run it. Boom! Is it time to finish the video again? We always run out of time. Well, tune in next time for part 3. And you're going to learn all sorts of things on the Commodore 64. How to program. Yeah. See you later, alligator.